Welcome back, my friends. Have a request for my process on airbrushing and changing colors while I airbrush. So a quick simple video here, just showing you I get rid of my paint out of my gravity feed area on the airbrush. I got a little box with all my tissues and papers in there, so I just use the bottle of water, spray it in the gravity feed area, and I press the trigger while I'm doing it, so the paint is coming out as well as the gravity feed being cleaned. Then I move on to the new color, which I put airflow improver in. Then I'm using the yellow. I'm using yellow because it will show up better if there's any blacks in it. So just to show you that the cleaning process, it does work. It's pretty clean when you do it. So I'm applying yellow here now, mixing it. Initially you may have some of the old paint coming out, but that's natural. But then after the air comes through and the paint comes through, the next color should come through. As you can see now, the yellow is pretty much all yellow. There's no black in there, so that cleaning process pretty much works really well. Again, after the yellow, go back to the bucket, water being put into the gravity feed area, pressing the button while you're doing it, so you're clearing the paint out of the nozzle as well, and the tissue to just clear out the excess paint in the gravity feed. Here's the bottle I use. You can get them from Amazon. A link will be in the description below. Again, we come back, same process again, airflow improver, using a pink color here now, and we'll just spray it in. As you can see, the spray gets out the old color first and then it's spraying quite nicely. At the end of my airbrush sessions, I've got a little cup where I put water in, and I put airbrush cleaner in there a little bit, mix it, and I just literally just leave the airbrush in there. And when I put it in there, I spray it a bit, and then I loosen the nozzle attachment at the end, move that up and down and spray it while I'm doing it, just to clear any paint that may be around the nozzle area. I hope this video was useful. If you do like it, can you please share, like, subscribe, and also you can go on to my descriptions below on my link. I got a free painting guide you can download, and you can enter your email there and you will get regular updates of my painting tutorials and also tools I use that I recommend. Okay, so in the meantime, happy painting everyone.